Okay, so I'm back, and I could have talked about this in the last one, but I didn't want to eat up any more time in there. So there's a lot of things in here that give you ideas on what you can try. Remember that I also, where do I do it? I'm grabbing it right now. Hold on. We have Ghost Shooter modifications. So if I slap that in there, we have all these Ghost Shooter modifications. Okay, so you can play around with this, and then we'll come back around and we'll deal with these additional modifications that are required. Now, I did give the code. We're at a point in time where I did give the code. It's down here. You can use my code. If you use my code and it's exactly the same, it's a 2.5, 3. But remember, this is a summative, and you really need to beef it up a little bit. But if you do make a bunch of changes in there and make it your own code, then you can earn a 4 and such. Now, what I want to talk about is the documentation. Okay, for whatever reason, we've got a bunch of people that still have not turned in their documentation, and it's possible that those individuals have. I just haven't gotten to it with it here. Okay, but I just wanted to make a quick one here. So there's many different ways to select things. You can click here and select an action. You can also just click on the condition. Okay. If you want to select the entire event, you need to click way over here. Okay. And now when the entire event clicked, I can right click on it and I can add a comment to it. That's kind of difficult to get to, right? Okay, so we can just hit Q. Don't ask me why it's Q. I don't know. Just like I don't know why it's a capital and a period to make a sentence. Hit Q, and then you type in your documentation. I have given you examples for this. Please make sure you've gotten this done. Okay? Thanks. Bye. We're done with Ghost Shooter.